So you want to lower ad costs, focus on the main image and get that right. Okay, what else you got?
Basically what happened is they sell magnetic cords like phone chargers, and he was able to get a patent where he was able to kick off all of his competition off of Amazon. Is his ad spend is just going through the roof.
Feel like we just got higher.
We're definitely getting higher.
And before we weren't having a lot of success because his product was a lot more expensive than all of the competitors that he kicked off of Amazon. So now we're technically performing the best we ever have on his account. It's only about a 1.5 ROAS right now. His goal is to hit 2. Right now, his monthly ad budget, he's increased it to $4,500 a month, but we're currently on track to spend $7,000 for the month. Twice a week, my ad spec and I are going through and reducing the bids, which is obviously going to improve the return on ad spend. But we still haven't noticed any significant decrease in his spend.
Tech products, very rare for us to do business with tech products. Why? Because it's inundated with Chinese. It's literally the hardest category. This is harder than supplements. There's low price pressure. There's black hat tactics. All of our best practices still apply though. Main image, that little tag there does nothing. It's too hard to read for a main image. So what I would do, you got that bottom left white space. Just go for a biggest keyword you possibly can. So you want to lower ad costs, focus on the main image and get that right.
This client, he gives us a lot of pushback on any time we try to do anything with the main image. Previously, before we even created this main image, his CTR was like 0.08. And since we created this, now it's at 0.23.
I think this is good, but I think we could do better.
Most of his competitors, when they were there, they had something similar other than what he currently has, is they'd actually put like a graphic of magnets.
I would recommend that. So if you could find a copy of one of those old images, I think it will make it pop. But like some red color or red magnet, could be extraordinarily valuable. I don't know how to showcase this better, but like having a duplicate copy of the product or put it onto some like white packaging where you show a magnet and it's like picking up the cord. But like when I see this in the search page, it doesn't stand out enough. Like everybody's got blue color. Nobody's got red. This one's really tough. Like this one's going to take a lot of iteration. And then you got him microing it on his side.
It's always been the main image. I thought I'm totally willing to have my graphic designer throw in some magnets and see if we can improve it. Although if increase the CTR, that might increase my problem with his ad spend.
Well, improved CTR lowers A costs actually.